My modern legal name is Cowboy Smithx. Yes, I'm aware of the irony.
Elder in the Making is an introduction to a bigger conversation. That film, the intention behind that film obviously was to explore Treaty 7, explore the history of this area, explore the relationship between Canada and First Nations, but at the same time create inroads and accessibility, build bridges for people who might not be comfortable and might not be ready to have conversations about reconciliation, about the truth of our history. A documentary can get you from point A to point C quicker than any textbook could. Well, I hope we have safer spaces for our children, really. I mean, the missing and murdered Indigenous women's pandemic is we're still in the face of it. It hasn't waned. Violence in our community hasn't waned. Addictions in our community, they have not gone away. They've actually probably gotten worse in some communities. I mean, we have a lot of work to do. I mean, it's 2016. Sometimes when you're in the present moment, the memory in motion, you like to rest on your laurels, but we still have a lot of work to do.